ain't got no patience. But they say they shootin' young nigga, we waiting. Ain't tell no nigga or nothing they saying. Got mama in the room, yeah, she praying. Cause if you move on, you know that we spraying. I don't know dates, yeah, that we laying. Y'all, dates, nigga. Let that bitch ride. Let that bitch ride.
Welcome back to my motherfucking channel, y'all. Today we are doing a motherfucking haul again. You already know, part 2 to the Black Friday, y'all. And of course, I did get another shit package. Unfortunately, it is not here today for me to unbox it with this other one. But when it comes, y'all already know the vibes. I'm gonna be unboxing it with y'all per usual. Duh. Today is a little different type of vibe. Like, everything in this box that I'm going to be pulling out is pink. Y'all know I've been telling y'all about my little pink apartment journey. Everything in this crib gonna be pink from top to bottom. I just want to tell y'all, like, I was so excited, like, looking for this stuff. Like, actually looking for this stuff was actually frustrating. I wanted everything, and you know, you can only pick so much, but I'll be able to buy more stuff to like alternate like my decorations or whatnot. I'm really excited to get into this shit today because I've been waiting for this shit to come, and it's here and I get to show y'all. Of course, the box is already open. Literally everything in this big motherfucker is pink. First item, I think this is, I don't know what it is. I don't know why they put this in this tight ass bag. Y'all, they sent me the wrong motherfucking rugs. These are supposed to say kitchen. Are you? Y'all, I'm already so mad. Like, this just ruined, like, this just ruined my whole haul, bro. Cause now I gotta send this shit back. Oh my god. Ruined. But these are the sets that go in front of like the stove and shit. So let me see if my other ones are correct. I mean, yeah, it's about to be Christmas, y'all, but like still, it's not going to be Christmas all year round. Oh, Shein, you just make me mad. Like, see, why is this one correct? Like, why does this one won't say kitchen? So this one's correct. These are gonna be cute as fuck, like in the kitchen. So hopefully they send me the correct one, because I'm definitely gonna be on Shein right after this video telling them y'all sent me the wrong shit. Yeah, resend that. Fuck. The next things I got are these cute ass footed rugs. So these I'll go in front of my sink because I have a his and her sink, so these little things will be in front. And I just think these are real cute because imagine brushing your teeth standing on feet. Like, the aesthetic. Next I have, this is the bathroom, like, bathroom set. A little bit bigger than I expected, but here's the bathroom rug. Then we got the little, you know, toilet cover, and y'all know, goes around the toilet. So I'm not gonna be taking this out the bag because, well, I can't think that big. This is a pillow, y'all. It's gonna go in my living room, on the couch, or I might use it in my room. Who knows? This is cute, plush. And pink, of course, because why wouldn't it be? Like, okay, now these two things are pillowcases. This one I think is like heart. Yes, it's hearts. Real cute. And this black one, I believe I'm just going to have it in my content room. On the couch, that'll be in there. And you know, it's giving real like studio producer, like it's giving content creator, like get into it. I got another rug, and it's money, y'all. This is gonna go in my hallway, but y'all already know money vibes. It's gonna be pink, but it's gonna give boss ass bitch, get that money, kiss 'em. and bless yourself. Next, I'm not really gonna get these out the package because I don't want them to like just be sitting around or whatever. But these are hearts that'll go and like hang down from like an entrance, so I have them from my living room to my hallway entrance. I'll have them right there, and they'll just hang like this, like down, and it'll just be cute, you know. Again, aesthetic. Then here is this. I'm just gonna put a picture so it'll look like this once it's up, but it'll be like my little caddy that'll sit on the floor next to my tub. It'll have like my luxury body washes and body scrubs and all that little good shit sitting on it in reach with this little cute setup. And I'm excited to do this. I need to get me some shower caddy things that'll stick on the wall, but I haven't found any that I like yet, so that's why there's none in this package. So I got me a little pink cutting board because you need a cutting board. Like, why wouldn't you have a cutting board in your house? Like, what do you cut with? What do you cut on? One of these is what you need. I should have got two just to have, but I got one. Y'all probably like, what are those? What are those? These are Roku cases, little cases. And I got two of them for the living room and for my room, because I don't think I'll have one like in my content room. I'll just have like a big speaker type shit in there. It'll be like this. Just like that. And they glow in the dark. They glow in the dark, bitch. So y'all should go grab them. These things are sticker decal thing. This one says princess, which that's what it looks like. This one, sexy. Y'all know it's gonna be on my door. I had this in black actually in my last apartment, and it was so cute. So of course I got it in pink this time, and I believe I may want to hang this like in the living room. I'm not sure yet. I'm still trying to think of the vibes, you know. See what everything's gonna give once everything's here and able to be put up. We got some cards. Y'all know these little aesthetic cards. Well, damn, I was trying to do some like some money, but it wasn't working. But let me just show y'all. Are you gonna count down? Maybe so, but alright. I'm just gonna show y'all a few so y'all get like real cute. And I believe these are just gonna go in my content room because they may go around the mirror or something. I don't know what I want to do with these just yet. Like I said, like, oh, this one's cute. Yeah, I love like money. This is cute too, period. All these is cute, but I'm not gonna get into all of them because y'all gonna see them eventually. They'll be in my content or whatnot. Next we have, I think this is my dates. Yep, these are my dates. I'll be able to like, you know, change everything around with the numbers, and here's the month, and you know the numbers. So this will be sitting out to be real cute. And let's see what's in this box. Oh, these are my salt and pepper shakers. Ooh, these are so cute. Oh my god. So it says salt, pepper, but look at how the shaker things are. S and P. My initials. That's fine as fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Big house decor. Yeah. I got this cute purse. I don't know, it just gave like luxury, furry, it just gave me. So I added this to the list of things I needed for the house. It has a chain that goes with it. I didn't know this was in there, but Shein does surprise me. Pink bag for some pink fits. Second to last item in this box, y'all. I got me a This is not pink, obviously. The last two things are just kind of random little get-ups that I got. And I really needed a small flat arm for my edges because I've been using my mama's and she been eating hers, and I done held hers captives and she want it back, and I didn't want to give it back because I have one, but now I can give hers back because I do have one and I can use my own. So yay me for finally getting one. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get hot. I don't know why I was just doing it like it was on, but yeah, we definitely finna be curling some shit up with this hoe. Finally got one. I'm so proud of me. I'm really doing my big one over here, like stepping up and buying the shit I need. Bitch, I've been doing that. Don't play with me. Fuck. Let's get into this last thing. I got these. Hey y'all, I'm really fucking up Shein's jewelry section because I don't discriminate. These are cute though. So I definitely needed these. These, I think, I don't know how many it was, either 20 or 40 piercings. But I don't know. I just know I racked the fuck up because there's so many in here, y'all. Like, look. Ooh, I didn't even know they had these ones. They got clear ones. I didn't even know that. Well, I know they had clear ones, but I didn't know they had them in this set. Okay. Fine. These is cute. These is cute. Neon colors. And then we got some, like, you know, it's giving, these give hippie vibes to me. Like, it gives sharp, it gives dark, it gives demon time, it gives I'll poke you in your shit. I'm gonna have fun looking through those and putting different shit in my nose, cause why not? Like, now I got different shit to style. Like, if I want to change my piercings, like daily type shit, I can do that because I got all of those to do with. I really want my septum pierced, y'all, but I'm scared. Like, I'm not scared of the pain, but I'm scared it ain't gonna look right. I don't know. Y'all should let me know about that. That's all that's in that box because we're done, and I can't wait to put together my pink apartment, y'all. Like, it's giving Black Barbie, it's giving luxury, it's gonna give everything it's supposed to give. Maybe all I need is a pink car, like pink Jeep. Maybe. Should I? Should I? Because if you tell me to do it, I'm gonna do it. Cause y'all know I stand on business around there, motherfucker. Y'all know I had to get it together for y'all. I wish I had stuff to try on for y'all, like, and all that, because anywho, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment, keep tuning in to me. Don't forget, y'all, buy a lip kit from me. They are only $4. Only $4. Cannot beat that. Cannot get them nowhere else. Make sure you hit me up on any platform. And yes, it's Mookie to order, discuss anything you may need, ask questions, all of that. I am your woman to go to. Okay, bye y'all.